Making money online becomes so easy when you know the right thing to do. Do you see this person is just making $5 by just creating just one thumbnail? Yes, creating one thumbnail. I can see it's a thumbnail. And what are thumbnail exactly? Thumbnail are something like this. You can see of all of these pictures you are seeing on my channels, they are thumbnail, and these are what make people to be attracted to click on a certain video on YouTube. There are so many people that does not know how to create this, and they want people to actually click on their channel. So I'm going to show you the easiest way you can begin to make money. As you can see, there are people making money on this Fiverr, a freelance website. So all you have to do is just create an account with Fiverr. Very easy. Create an account. You can create an account with any email you have all over the world. So just create an account. Very easy. And you can see this person is making $5 by just creating one thumbnail. So and he has over 339 sales. He has 298 sales. There are people that are making money just creating thumbnail for YouTube, and it's very easy, extremely easy. The problem there that people do not have time, so people are going to pay for your time. All you have to do is just come to Fiverr, create an account on Fiverr. Then you can just copy. When I open one of these gigs, I have it like this. As you can see, this person by just creating just one thumbnail is going to earn $5 just within 2 days. And it's 2 days, just one thumbnail. Then when it comes to standard, it's going to earn $20 for just one thumbnail. Then for the premium, it's going to earn $30 for one thumbnail. I'm going to show you the easiest way you can actually begin to make money by just creating thumbnail. It's very free. You will not pay any money. All you have to do is just come to the website and create your thumbnail. Then create a gig. First thing is actually create an account on Fiverr. Then you are going to show yourself as a seller. They'll send an email to you, confirm it. Then just come to this person's gig. Open this person's gig. You can just search for, when you come to find service and just put YouTube thumbnail, you see that there are so many people that will come out. You can just copy one of their gig. In total, there's no sin, there's no crime there. You can just copy everything, put it as your own. Then copy the basic standard, put it as your own, and begin to make money. It's very easy to make money, and I'm going to show you the tools you are going to use to create your own thumbnail. So please stay with me to the very end. Do not skip any part. So let's get into it. The first thing you are going to do, I think is very important, is to come to my channel here and click on this subscribe button, so that anytime I create new videos, you are going to be the first person to get it. So I create video on how you can make money online and how to enhance your businesses using free tools. So if you are interested in making money online, let me tell you this: making money online is easy with the right information, and I'm going to present you the right information for absolutely free. I will go outside here, look for authentic information and give it to you. So ensure that you subscribe so that you never miss anyone that I've created, or the one I'm here to create and when I'm creating presently. So click on this subscribe button, and you can just click on any video. Let's say for example you click on this video and just click on this thumb up. So anytime you click on this, it motivates me more to go outside there and create more video for you. So let's come back to what we are saying. So let's see, how can you make money on thumbnails? Now this person is making $5, is making $20 and $30. Very easy, just doing an easy, extremely easy service. As I've said earlier, I just copy this person's gig. This is what they call gig. Just come to fiverr.com and create an account. I'll put the link below. Yes, the link below to Fiverr. So just come to Fiverr, create an account, click on the link, create an account. Then you can just copy all this person's gig. Very easy. Copy it, and everything person has written, copy it as your own. Just personalize, make it your own. Then you can actually come to websites, and I want to show you a website, but you can actually get free pictures in which you can actually post as your work to do, what you have done actually. So the website I'm going to show to you, which is actually free, is known as canvas.com. So when you come to canvas.com, you just have to click on the link below, you log in, and you're going to have your account. Let me tell you, I actually create all my thumbnails using canvas.com, and they are very amazing. So when you just come here, you just locate YouTube thumbnail, or just search for it. You can just come here and search for YouTube thumbnail. Then just search for that, just YouTube, okay, YouTube thumbnail, okay, it's thumbnail. You can see here YouTube thumbnail. So when you search for YouTube thumbnail, there are many kind of templates you're going to work with. Just click on anyone you want. So when you click on anyone you want, it's going to bring you to an editor here, a free editor. So this is an editor. Okay, this one's loading. Now this is an editor you come to. And all you have to do is just, when somebody place an order, after copying this person's gig and make it your own, and the person now even have one order in queue that is working on, and it's making the school money. Just when person just click on your gig, and just make sure they are released online. Just once in a while, you pay online. So when you click on your gig and you make your money, it's very easy, extremely easy. It does not cost you anything, does not take your time, it does not even cost you money. So when you come to canvas.com, you can see so many samples. Look at this beautiful one, it's free. Anytime you see something like crown, it means it's not free, but look at this one, is free. So this one, somebody contact you. Okay, they say that they want a thumbnail. Maybe person wants to create a video on Yogo, for example. When I click on this, it's going to come to an editor. All I have to do is just to edit it, edit it, do some little editing using canvas.com, and be able to just send to the person, and you make your money. It's very easy, extremely easy. So with the right information, making money online is very easy. Alright, so let me let this to load. So when this finish load, I'm going to show you a very easy way in which you can actually edit it, then you can save it and send it to your customer, I call it your client, and you to make your money easily. As I've said, that is very easy. So for example, to that other template you can actually work with it. So let's say what to do with this. Anytime you want to change something, just click on it. Like when I click on this, I can be able to move it, I can delete it if I want to delete it. So when I click on it, for example, like this, and I click on delete on my laptop, you can actually use your phone. It's going to delete, or you just come and click on delete here. It's going to go off. As you see, it's going to go off. So I can just delete everything. So I delete the group, and if I want to redo it, I'll click on this icon. It's going to come back here, and you can actually change everything. Like maybe you want to change this text, all you have to do is just to click on it and change it, highlight it, and it's very easy, just highlight it. So you can join the class. You can, if you want to change the image, just click on the image. You can say I can decide to move it around, and I can actually delete it. Just click on delete. It's going to go off, and it's very easy, If anybody say they want to create a thumbnail, just for example, I can put this one as an example of what you have created, and it's very easy, and you begin to make your money. So ladies and gentlemen, start making money online. Just come to Fiverr, and share. Let me just give you a quick summary. Come to Fiverr, create an account, then you can copy anybody's gig that is making money, then just create it like this, create it like this. Like you're going to be able to do this, and people begin to come to you and begin to make money. So ladies and gentlemen, my name is Daniel Adeobo. If you have gotten value from this video, don't forget, it's very important, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It motivates me to go out and create more video on how you can make money online. And also click on this thumb up button here, so it goes a lot way. And if you have any question, you can just comment below. You can come to this comment section and type in your question. I'm going to reply you. So ladies and gentlemen, that is everything I'm going to show you here. Alright, so if you have any question, comment below. I'll be glad to answer. Once again, my name is Daniel Adeobo. So start making money online. Thank you so much.